How to restore your account if lost. Did you lose your character? Don't panic. This guide shows you how to restore your account in darkest days. On the main login screen, tap the Switch Account or Recover button. If you precisely linked your game to Apple, Facebook or Google, simply log back into the service to automatically pull your character from the cloud. If you didn't link your account to the cloud, you'll need your player ID. This is why it's important to take a screenshot of your profile early on. If you have this ID, the support team can manually reconnect your data to your device. If all else fails, tap on Customer Service on the login screen. Provide your username, level, and any recent purchase receipts. The developers are usually very helpful in recovering lost accounts for active players. You're back in the game. Like and subscribe for more Darkest Days help guides.